means Kabristan.
Okay,
So Muslims have Samadula, what's called, they say something, Samadula Tota,
okay,
graveyard.
graveyard.
Hindus have different system.
Okay,
Maximum they burn into
Burn.
ashes.
okay.
Correct? Born and burn.
Okay,
Life start with burn.
Born.
Born. B-O-R-N.
B-O-R-N, born.
And life end with B-O-R-N. Burn.
B-U-R-N.
Correct? Na?
Burn.
Only one U or O. That's
Oh,
it.
Yeah, exactly.
Life start with O and life end with U. That's it. Correct? Na?
Yeah.
So anyhow, I want to know about this. We know this Christian system of burying the box. They kept the dead body in the box
Box.
because they are waiting for Jesus' second wave or something, second coming of something
Okay.
like that. What is about Muslim system of this Kabristan?
हम लोग जो भी है ना, जैसे हम लोग चाहते हैं कि बस हम मिट्टी के बने हुए हैं, मिट्टी में मिल जाना है बस।
सही बात है ना, सच
हाँ।
बात है।
जी जी। तो मिट्टी के अंदर जो है हम लोग वहीं पे हम दफना देते हैं। तो जो भी है फॉर्मेलिटीज, जैसे कि हर किसी का एक ही फॉर्मेलिटी होता कि उसी को जो है, अगर इन केस कब्रिस्तान फुल भी हो जाता है ना,
हाँ, that's why.
हाँ, अगर फुल भी हो जाता है तो हम लोग उसको क्या करते हैं, एक एक जो कब्रिस्तान होता है ना, उसी के अंदर जो बोन्स वगैरह होते हैं,
हाय हाय।
तो उसी को थोड़ा साइड में करते हैं, फिर वहीं पे वो कर देते हैं। हम ऐसा नहीं करते कि भाई ये आपका एक ही जगह होना है, उनका दूसरी जगह होना है।
Everybody must have one jaga means
Yeah.
the whole world become a Kabristan.
हाँ,
Correct ना?
That also it will not sufficient. That's why इसीलिए जो है बताया जाता है कि जो है एक में से जो है the last time 7 members मिनिमम रहेगा।
हाँ, what? Repeat again.
वन कब्र में से
हाँ।
7 जने कम से कम उठेंगे बोल के बताया जाता है।
अच्छा,
हाँ, तो वो हिसाब से बताया गया।
I heard about this.
हाँ।
Now I confirmed with you. So actually I heard somebody with some discussion. They said Muslim system there is no harm for this earth because after that Kabristan, as you said now, they remove and
Yeah.
they kept again another body.
Example like farming.
Yeah.
Example like farming.
Yeah.
Like you have picked up
Yeah,
the
yeah,
vegetable,
understood. Yeah,
and
understood.
then after that also you have
Yeah.
grow it, right?
But the Christian system is not like that, no?
Okay.
They every dead body want one box
Okay.
and they want to keep one samadhi
Okay.
and they worship Samadal Tota.
अच्छा.
You know, when you go in Nandyala or Rajahmundry, I saw so many places. They have Samadal Tota and every year there is a Ata Pata
अच्छा.
in Samadal Tota.
अच्छा.
With Polamota.
Okay.
Endo asara, I can't understand. They are, see, for living creatures only, earth is very minimized.
Yeah, exactly.
So for dead bodies, they are grabbing.
Okay.
How it's good for the earth, I don't understand.
Then
When-
they need some lot of area for the
Only dead bodies.
for the dead bodies.
I don't know why they are keeping all dead bodies in box. You know.
No, sorry, I don't know.
No, the judgment day.
Okay.
So Jesus will come and find out. Oh, this is dead body of Pastor Ashirvadam,
Okay.
and this is dead body of Emmanuel. This is a dead body of Daniel.
Okay.
Is it possible?
No, here
Thousands of years over, dead body not remain same, no?
Yeah, exactly.
There is only bones.
Yeah.
Everything gone.
Yeah.
So I don't understand why spiritual God need material bones. Huh?
They only need the soul.
Correct na? Soul does not what's called
Only the soul is needed
no.
for that.
How you certify soul throughout the bones?
Yeah.
Correct na? God does not need. See, when there is earthquake,
Yeah.
so many this samadhis merge into the earth, no?
Earth, right.
Then how Jesus will come and dig all samadhis or what? I don't understand.
Yeah.
They are very foolish. I don't understand. And they say simply, they come to Hindu's house, they say Jesus only.
Okay.
Why they don't go to Muslims and say Jesus about? Have you read the Quran?
Yeah, I have read that.
Not fully?
We have no. Every year we have to complete once.
Bah, wonderful, eh? So I have, you know, I received Quran. I have Quran,
Okay.
Telugu big one.
Okay.
You know who given?
Okay.
In Balanagar, one Kaiser.
Kaiser. Okay.
Who? Autowala.
Acha, acha.
I traveled from Shapur Nagar to Balanagar.
Okay.
So while talking, Swamiji, I will bring tomorrow.
Acha.
And he brought me. Yeah, still I have that.
Acha.
In Quran, what they say about Jesus, you know? Have you remember?
Sorry.
Quran says about Jesus, you know? What?
No. In that, like lot of thing is there. Like in what actually what
Content.
content you are saying.
See, according to the Quran, God means only Allah.
Okay.
Who is the Jesus in Quran?
Ismail alayhi salam.
Yeah, who is? What the meaning? What is the meaning?
His name is Ismail alayhi salam.
Yeah, we know. What is his position in Quran?
He is a Nabi.
नबी मतलब अंग्रेजी में बताओ.
देखिए इनका मतलब
प्रवक्ता.
क्या बोलते हैं?
Messenger.
Messenger.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, exactly.
I know that. So messenger को भगवान कहता है ये लोग.
जी 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 जी.
What we don't understand. What we don't understand.
वही है, हाँ. क्योंकि कुरान में यही बताया गया है कि इस्माइल अलैहिस्सलाम जो है एक मैसेंजर है.
Yeah, we know that, Baba. That's why these guys we call Gorilu. You know that? You know, these Christians we called Gorilu. Gorre matlab goat.
Goat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Goat only for meat.
Yeah.
So goat never use brain
Yeah.
because they don't have brain.
Yeah.
One goat will follow, another goat will follow. That's it.
Follow the same.
Correct, na?
Yeah.
One goat jump from the hill, cliff. All goats will follow that. Goat means no brain.
Yeah.
So these goats won't think about that anything. They simply creating havoc in the society.
Oh yeah.
You know, no Muslim will come to any Hindu house and announce about Allah and not making noise about his religion.
Yeah.
But these guys, they come to shops or houses, streets, and they're talking laba 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 laba. Please join our party. Please join our party.
Oh, like that also is happening.
Ayyo, Rama. You don't know, Baba. You don't know. In Andhra, they are making humans are gorils. No paurushams. They never go to any Muslim and talk about, hey, please join Jesus party. No, because they know what will happen.
Yeah.
And I told sometime with some meetings, so if Hindus want to protect their dharma, they must follow like Muslims only. Because they are strict. Okay. Just now you told, every year once you have to complete Quran.
Yeah.
What a wonderful, no?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Minimum, that is minimum.
Yeah, appreciate.
Yeah,
you know Rehal?
Sir, Rehal, yeah, that is the support of the Quran.
Yeah. So we called book stand.
Yeah.
We called Vyasapitam. That the Rehal, I purchased it from mosque. You know that?
Mosque.
Yeah. Nowadays mosque means disease.
Yeah.
But what is the meaning of mosque? Masjid.
Masjid, okay.
Yeah, masjid.
Mosque you are telling.
Yeah, that's why.
Mosque.
Yeah, nowadays people get confused because of this mosque.
There is some kind of rhyming.
Yeah, and yeah. So go straight.
Yes.
So I purchased a Rehal. Still I have that, you know.
Okay.
Still I have. So this ridiculous things going on. I will give my card. You can watch in YouTube.
Yeah, sure.
Your video will also.
Okay, my
Yeah, surely.
Okay.
You will get so many fans later. Okay? You can watch. I have more than 10,000 videos.
Oh.
10,000. Left we have to go. Yeah, 2 crores.
2 crore followers.